The smartphone world is once again buzzing with excitement as Vivo officially confirms the launch of its next flagship lineup, the Vivo X300 and Vivo X300 Pro. Scheduled for a grand debut on October 13th in China, this series aims to redefine what we expect from camera performance, power efficiency, and display brilliance. Vivo has been teasing fans with hints and official posters, revealing breathtaking details about the design, lenses, and chipset powering these devices. But now, the leaks and certifications are painting an even clearer picture of what's coming, and it's massive. From the brand new MediaTek Dimensity 9500 powerhouse to an ultra-bright 8T LTPO BOE display, and from the enormous battery setup to the Zeiss engineered telephoto lens with a teleconverter, this could be Vivo's most advanced smartphone series ever. Let's dive deep into everything we know so far about the upcoming Vivo X300 Pro, Vivo X300, and even the rumored Vivo X300 FE. Vivo is once again preparing to dominate the smartphone landscape with its highly anticipated Vivo X300 Pro and Vivo X300, officially launching in China on October 13th at 4:30 p.m. IST. In true Vivo fashion, the company has been steadily dropping teaser after teaser, keeping fans on the edge of their seats, and now, we finally have a full picture of what to expect from this groundbreaking flagship series. Both models are expected to redefine innovation, design, and power efficiency, setting new standards in the Android flagship space for 2025. Starting with the heart of the phones, the Vivo X300 and X300 Pro will be among the first to feature MediaTek's brand new Dimensity 9500 chipset, a cutting-edge processor designed to deliver unprecedented performance, smoother multitasking, and improved energy efficiency. This chip will likely go head-to-head with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, marking a major milestone for MediaTek as it takes another leap into flagship territory. Early benchmarks suggest that the Dimensity 9500 delivers exceptional power while keeping thermals in check, and when paired with Vivo's optimized software experience, users can expect ultra-smooth performance whether gaming, streaming, or working on demanding tasks. Moving to one of the most exciting parts, the cameras. Vivo has officially confirmed that both the Vivo X300 and X300 Pro will feature a Zeiss-engineered 200-megapixel telephoto periscope camera. This isn't just any ordinary telephoto setup. Vivo has gone the extra mile by integrating a Zeiss 2.35x optical zoom lens, and even developing a custom teleconverter attachment designed to adjust the focal length of the 200MP camera for professional-grade shots. For photography enthusiasts, this means an unparalleled level of control and clarity when shooting distant subjects, landscapes, or even astrophotography. The company's collaboration with Zeiss continues to be one of the strongest in the industry, and this time, Vivo is promising even more natural color calibration, improved portrait rendering, and enhanced low-light photography performance. The design of the new series also screams sophistication and refinement. According to official teasers and reliable leaks, both models will sport a sleek and ultra-slim profile measuring just around 7mm in thickness, making them one of the thinnest flagship smartphones on the market. The standard Vivo X300 will feature a 6.31-inch 8T LTPO BOE display with a minimum brightness of just 1 nit, offering outstanding visibility and battery efficiency under all lighting conditions. While the Vivo X300 Pro will feature a slightly larger 6.78-inch flat display with enhanced color accuracy and smoother motion thanks to adaptive refresh rate technology. These displays are said to bring a cinematic viewing experience to your hands, with vivid colors, crisp contrast ratios, and high HDR capabilities perfect for gamers, streamers, and content creators alike. Now, let's talk about the power that fuels all of this. A recent leak from tipster at Zeiss has revealed that the standard Vivo X300 will carry a massive 6,040 mAh battery, while the Vivo X300 Pro will come with an even bigger 6,510 mAh unit, both supporting 90W wired fast charging. That means users can expect all-day endurance with just a few minutes of charging time, a perfect balance between performance and efficiency. These phones are also expected to support wireless charging, maintaining Vivo's commitment to convenience and premium user experience. Despite the large battery capacities, both models manage to maintain an impressively thin and lightweight design, showing Vivo's engineering excellence at its best. Adding to the excitement, A new Vivo device with a model number V2537 has been spotted on the EEC certification website in Europe. This device is believed to be the Vivo X300 FE, which could serve as a more affordable version of the X300 series tailored for international markets, especially Europe. While not much is known about its specifications yet, the certification confirms that Vivo is preparing to bring its flagship experience beyond China. Considering Vivo's recent global expansion strategy, the X300 FE might debut soon after main launch, giving fans outside China a chance to experience the new series without waiting too long. The Vivo X300 series is also rumored to bring substantial improvements in camera AI, night photography, and computational imaging. The new telephoto periscope lens, combined with Vivo's V-series imaging chip, could deliver DSLR-level clarity and stability. On the software side, the handsets will ship with Vivo's latest FunTouch OS, based on Android 16, offering new AI-powered tools, smarter photo editing, and enhanced multitasking features that make full use of the Dimensity 9500's advanced capabilities. The phones will also feature improved cooling systems and better thermal management, ensuring consistent performance during long gaming or 4K video recording sessions. Vivo's emphasis on design doesn't stop at performance or aesthetics. It extends to durability as well. Rumors suggest both the Vivo X300 and X300 Pro will feature IP68 water and dust resistance, an upgraded cooling system, and Corning Gorilla Glass protection on both sides. The build quality looks premium, and Vivo's signature design philosophy ensures these phones feel elegant and solid in hand. The camera island has been redesigned to look more modern and refined, housing the Zeiss optics in a circular arrangement that blends seamlessly into the rear panel. As for connectivity, users can expect the latest Wi-Fi 7 standard, advanced Bluetooth codecs, 5G dual SIM support, and possibly satellite communication capabilities, although this is yet to be officially confirmed. Another major upgrade could come in the form of improved audio experience, as Vivo has been reportedly working on new stereo speaker tuning in collaboration with Dirac for clearer highs, richer mids, and deeper bass. And while battery efficiency will already be exceptional thanks to the Dimensity 9500's architecture, the inclusion of AI-powered energy optimization will further extend usage times, learning your habits and dynamically adjusting background processes to save power when it's not needed. Pre-orders for the Vivo X300 series are already live in China, and customers can reserve their units directly via Vivo's official website. The company's marketing campaign highlights not just raw specs, but also the experience of balance. Powerful performance without overheating, massive batteries without bulk, and professional cameras without complexity. This blend of form and function could make the Vivo X300 Pro the most balanced flagship of 2025. To summarize, the Vivo X300 Pro offers a 6.78-inch flat display, a 6,510 mAh battery, 90W charging, MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset, Zeiss 200MP telephoto camera, and just 7mm thickness, while the Vivo X300 delivers nearly the same experience with a slightly smaller screen and battery. The rumored Vivo X300 FE might round off the lineup for the European market. With all these innovations, Vivo is clearly targeting both power users and creators who demand performance, portability, and pro-grade imaging in one sleek package. As the launch date draws near, all eyes are on Vivo to see how it positions the X300 lineup against heavyweights like the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Xiaomi 15 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max. If the leaks and teasers are anything to go by, Vivo's October 13th event could mark a turning point for the brand. One that brings cutting-edge performance, design brilliance, and camera excellence together in one masterpiece. And with that, it's clear that Vivo is not just launching another smartphone. It's redefining what a flagship can be in 2025. So, are you ready for the next evolution of smartphone innovation? Let's wait and see if the Vivo X300 Pro truly lives up to the hype when it finally launches. Until then, keep an eye out for more updates right here. And if you love staying ahead of the latest smartphone trends, make sure to subscribe to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for everything tech, from leaks and reviews to deep dives into the devices shaping our future. If you're looking for a smartphone that combines next-generation performance, unmatched photography capabilities, and elegant design, the Vivo X300 Pro could be your perfect companion. But if you prefer something lighter on the wallet without compromising too much, the standard Vivo X300 will still give you flagship-level performance and power. Whichever you choose, Vivo's upcoming lineup promises to set a new bar for Android innovation. Stay tuned to TechVerse for the full hands-on review once the phones officially launch.